What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So glad you decided to stop back by to hang out with your girl today. And today we're doing another BOXY unboxing. I told you guys that I wasn't gonna be doing these for you every single month, but I may change my mind on that just because the things that I get on these boxes really are worth sharing every month. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. It'll be one more video that I can share with you guys, so I don't mind doing that. If you guys don't know what BOXY is, for those of you who don't know, it is a $25 monthly subscription, and you get 5 full-size beauty products along, and that can be anywhere from makeup products to skincare products to beauty tools such as brushes and things like that. So it's really worth the price point because you're guaranteed at least $150 for the whole value of the box, okay? And a lot of times it runs well over that, so I think it's well worth it to try out. If you don't like it, then you can always cancel your subscription, but I don't know why you'd ever want to cancel because this is the bomb diggity. So anyway, we're just gonna go through the products that I got in September's BOXY and add them all up to see what the overall value is. Before we jump into it, I want you to do a couple of things for me. Be sure to like, comment, and most of all, subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Snatch and Slay gang. And please don't forget to click that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads, therefore making it easier for you to snatch and slay on the regular. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Alright, so, just diving right on in, right on the top here, I see a Trestique, I'm assuming this is how you say this, Summer Glow Plus Go Mini Summer Essential Set. So, looks like you get, this is what it looks like. And you're getting 4 different shades of something. There's Maldives, Luminescent, Marracoon Rose, I don't know. Tahitian Shimmer and Americano. So I'm assuming these are, looks like they're highlight crayons. So mini highlight, okay, so there's a mini highlight stick, there's a mini blush stick, there's a mini shadow crayon, and mini brow pencil. Okay, so these are 4 completely different products. So, just opening it up here, this is your blush. This is gonna be your shadow shimmer, I guess, in this shade here. And then you have the highlighter here, which is the lightest one in the box, and then the brow pencil. So looks like there's a highlight, a blush, a shimmer, and then a shadow. So that's pretty neat, and they actually look like crayons. So we'll be trying those out. Now looks like this Summer Glow set is at a value of $42. $42, people, and that means we're already well over the actual cost of the monthly subscription. Hello, are you speaking my language? Let's get into it. Anyway, jumping right on back into it, we have the Laura Geller, the volumizing brush volume for mega lashes. I think I've actually seen a lot of YouTubers using this mascara. I've heard really good things about it. And this is by Laura Geller. This is a lovely mascara from this cosmetic line. So we'll definitely be giving that a test. And the value on that is $24. Cool, moving right along to the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. So this is by Pharmacy. And Looks like this is just like a hydrating eye cream. It's supposed to brighten and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Definitely need that. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Clean, fragrance-free formula. So if you're not a big fan of fragrances and stuff like that, things that smell or have a scent to them, then this is probably going to be great for you. It doesn't have a scent, so yeah. And this is what it looks like here. Definitely be giving that a try. I've really been like trying to up my skincare game because I usually get a lot of good skincare products out of this BOXY charm, so I've definitely been able to keep my skincare up. MSRP on this Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream is $45, people. 45. Hello. Alright, moving right along to the Glam in Paradise Gold Foil Mask infused with cannabis stevia seed oil. So I got a little face mask here, and MSRP on this is $18. So I think there might be 2 in here, maybe. 1 piece of face mask, 1 pair of eye patch, and 1 piece of lip mask. Oh, okay, so it's like different. So you have 1 full face mask, and you have 1 pair of just the little eye patches that probably go under your eyes, and then you have 1 piece of lip mask. So I'm assuming it just goes around your mouth area. So that's cool. Last but not least, we have the Spanglish. I don't know. The Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette by Elamar Cosmetics. This is the way it looks. It's really neat, the packaging on this. Oh my goodness. So this is what the palette looks like. Nice little batch of color there. Like, whoa. So I'm gonna do a little swatch of each color here so you can see what they look like. Man, you can't really see that one that great, but these are very pigmented. These are the other 3 in the palette. So very pigmented. Looks like you could create some pretty neat eyeshadow looks with this. So I'll definitely be trying that out. And it does look like you get 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. So nice. The MSRP on the eyeshadow palette is going to be $28. So $28 for the eyeshadow palette. So alright, so that looks like it's everything in the box. So now we're going to add this up to see exactly what it comes out to see what the overall value is, which normally gets pretty close or goes well over, at least goes well over the whole value of the box. So let's see. Alright, you guys, so after we added up the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream for $45, the Elamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette for $28, the Tresique Summer Glow Plus Go Set for $42, the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara for $24, and the SF Glow Glam in Paradise Cannabis Stevia 3-piece mask set for $18. We have a total of $157. Hello? Is anybody speaking my language here? Like, this box is amazing. That's why I quickly said, you know, I really do need to share this with you guys every month, because I never know what I'm gonna get, and it's just so, I'm usually so surprised to get what I do get. Like, and the products are pretty high quality, so and most of the time you are getting high-end products. This is where you want to be and what you want to be receiving every month in the mail if you are into makeup or in skincare and all that good stuff like I am. So well worth the money. If you're not already subscribed, go subscribe to BOXY Charm. I will have the link in my description box for you to hop on over there and get to it. But anyway, that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for yet another BOXY Charm unboxing. And I hope to see you all very soon in the next one.